Berikut adalah daftar 10 pemain bola voli putra dengan bayaran tertinggi di dunia hingga tahun 2025. 10. Ivan Zaitsev. Pemain asal Italia yang pernah mengantarkan tim nasional Italia meraih medali perunggu di Olimpiade London 2012. Zaitsev menerima gaji sebesar $620.000 Amerika per musim. 9. Maxim Mikhailov. Pemain asal Rusia yang merupakan bagian dari tim nasional Rusia yang meraih medali emas di Olimpiade London 2012. Mikhailov menerima gaji sebesar $714.000 Amerika per musim.
Атаковать на тройном блоке. Гребенников играет ногой. Андерсон. Опять не слишком хороша передача в его направлении. Ну а взлет в исполнении Михайлова. Неожиданность для всех, кроме самого Михайлова. Да. Федоров принял эту подачу и Михайлов.
Максим. 3-0. Победа. Михайлов и Деру приносят результат 20-14. Ну и соперник-то был достаточно не самый сильный, скажем так, но с нефтяником. А вы цифры, наверное, знаете. Очки 75-50, а подача 7-4.
8. Matt Anderson. Pemain asal Amerika Serikat yang bermain untuk Zenit St. Petersburg di Rusia. Anderson menerima gaji sebesar $850.000 Amerika per musim.
From Mr. Anderson as to Horsthorpe. He's not getting that again.
Oh, it plays that. Goes for a float, targets the Falco. Ball behind again to Anderson, and somehow hits high, hard, and deep. And that ball looks like it's going out. All the defense of Serbia are standing back, calling it out, and it just drops in the end line.
It's just the highest level swing that you can have.
Serve. Nice up coming from Eric Shoji. Back row attack. Anderson. Yes.
Fantastic reception by Shoji. Groza looking.
It works after being one of the world's greatest forever. He's thinking of something different. Anderson. Lunch pail, just hard.
It's crazy after these. Spin. Anderson is up, and that is exactly what Kovacevic has been doing to USA, passing the ball and converting it fast into.
There's your heat. And it's an ace serve by Anderson.
7. Georgi Grozer, pemain asal Jerman yang saat ini bermain di Liga Voli Turki. Grozer menerima gaji sebesar $870.000 Amerika per musim.
Germany covers it. Reichert sets it in place of Tilla, and then Grozer keeps doing Grozer type things.
Bertoli continuing a devastating burst of serves. Grozer finally gets Germany a desperately needed side out. Zimmerman will come in to replace Bremer. He's the sub-in server here. Grozeur's talent.
Is that another ace? Yes, it is! This man is on fire.
Alexander Atanasijevic, pemain asal Serbia yang telah bermain di berbagai klub di Serbia, Italia, dan Polandia. Atanasijevic menerima gaji sebesar $920.000 Amerika per musim. Dmitry Muserskiy, pemain asal Rusia dengan tinggi 2,18 meter, bermain untuk Suntory Sunbears di Liga Voli Jepang. Muserskiy menerima gaji sebesar $950.000 Amerika, sekitar 13,4 miliar rupiah, per musim.
Amazing. Muserski's been out of the limelight for a while now. He's been playing in Japan since 2017-18 season, so being away from the world stage. Lovely pass. That's more like it. For those of you that are passers, liberos, and you're thinking, right, what's a good way to make sure I'm in a good place and make a good pass? If you watch Fujinaka, his platform is there really early. He sets it up early, sets his shoulders way before the ball gets. There's just that even Muserski's just gone, whoa. There's that moment of stillness from him. His hand was waiting. It goes up. Watch his right hand here. Way bang. And that one is just not coming back.
4. Robert Landi Simon, pemain asal Kuba yang dikenal sebagai bloker andal dan bermain untuk Cucina Lube Civitanova di Liga Voli Italia. Simon menerima gaji sebesar $967.000 Amerika, sekitar 13,7 miliar rupiah, per musim.
You kind of knew it was going there, didn't you?
Yeah, I think we...
Oh! Ho, ho! Robert Landi causing criminal damage.
Just had to check back on his service run then.
Oh!
Well, that ball just popped out of the ground.
He's going to play at Cisterna in the Italian league this year. Here's Magarejo. Wow, what a dig from Diaz! And what a block! Simon and Lopez. Simon, I think, got it all.
Frame it, put it in the loop, okay? Great block from Simone.
Another great service. Chance for a 5-point lead. This is big. And Robert Landi is bullying Trento.
3. Bartosz Kurek, pemain asal Polandia yang saat ini bermain untuk Wolf Dogs Nagoya di Liga Voli Jepang. Kurek menerima gaji sebesar $1,1 juta Amerika, sekitar 15,5 miliar rupiah, per musim. 2. Ervin Engapet, pemain asal Prancis yang bermain untuk Modena Volley di Liga Volley Italia. Dengan berbagai gelar bergengsi, termasuk MVP 5 kali, Engapet menerima bayaran 1,35 juta dolar Amerika, sekitar 19,1 miliar rupiah, per musim.
Is all the way to Spike Town from Engapet.
Nomor 1 pemain terbaik dan termahal di dunia. Wilfredo Leon, pemain asal Kuba yang kini memperkuat Bogdanka Lublin di Liga Volley Italia. Dikenal dengan kekuatan spike yang luar biasa, Leon menerima gaji sebesar 1,4 juta dolar Amerika, sekitar 19,8 miliar rupiah per tahun.
Kevin comes off the net, puts it outside. Well, Doug Leon's going to take a rip. Thunderous kill by Leon.
This is him at his best.
He'll keep, as they say, when they need him. Beautiful serve. Absolutely bounced in it. Russo goes high for his top spin, puts Leon under pressure. Leon snaps it onto the tee.
Good job keeping the speed of the offense.
The 33-year-old back to serve. Rare error on the defense, but Bruno's had to work really hard. The ball did stay inside the antenna. Leon, welcome to the game.
Wow.
Serve has to be in, it's good. Leon to take the set, 25-23. Well, that is just a taster of things to come.
Man.
We do appreciate all the time that the players do give us. Alan into the block. Tosh Kurek. All confusion. Pulled back from Mikey. It's going to be a free ball for Poland to attack. Pipe from Leon!
Super spike indeed. That's all we focus on. Is it? Oh, it is! The first ace serve from Leon.
It's like a slow motion celebration. He's stepping on. Can I celebrate yet? I know it's in. Poland will be furious of having that gap available to them in the block. Janusz goes out wide to Leon. He always goes over the block. Such is the height.
Japan, a super.
22-17. Oh, I thought that just drifted wide off the block, but no, Leon has got a stuff block. It's not reached. 6 points on the deficit at 2014. Shida right into the hands. Leon was laying in waiting. And we have all 8 places confirmed. In the game earlier, Canada and China. Canada got a much-needed victory, which kept them safe, but unfortunately... Ball just picked up right in the middle of the court. Europe couldn't get the swing. Kaczmarek. Oh, well pulled back there from Tatsunori Otsuka. Free ball coming in for Poland. Here's the wave. And Leon from the back line.
Terima kasih, tetap support dan dukung terus channel kami. Jangan lupa like, komen, subscribe dan share. Sampai jumpa di video kami berikutnya.